I'm just arrived at Pilar. It's raining outside and people invite me to drink. I say, sorry, I don't drink because I drive. And they say, it's raining, come to the church. Very friendly people. And they will show me the birds at 5 p.m. Yes, because it's my second time here, and first time I come here, I didn't found. And today they will show me. They say it's from of my house. You will see 1,000 or maybe million of birds. So now I'm waiting till the rain stop, and I will go with them. Yeah, amazing. There's rain. I say come to church to cover you. Yeah, so friendly people. But only one of them speak English. Over they speak only Tagalog. So, but I know few words. So let's wait for the rain stop. I say it's only 5 p.m. you can see them when they going down. So if you come in morning, in afternoon, you will not see them. So it's Pilar. How to going here from Legazpi? It's like 32 kilometers. And you use GPS. And I don't know exactly where it is because he will show me. He will go with me. He don't want to say he want to go with me. So let's wait. Okay, all people going outside because I think the rain stop. Go down. Very friendly people. So let's wait. So I'm here with my new friend. You want to say something?
Oh, sir, you're the first blogger who just came here. It's not been on YouTube before, just now.
So you heard? Because some foreigner, when I going someplace, they say, no, it's not true. Yes, here I search. There is not in YouTube. I will be the first to put on YouTube. I hope they will come today. There is some bird. We
Oh,
waiting.
look. Oh, they come.
Yes, few come. We wait more. And we hope to see maybe 1 million or 1,000. We waiting.
Oh, look. They're coming.
Yes, I see few. So we waiting, and I will record when there is many. So thank you to this guy to invite me. Very friendly guy. As Filipino are always.
Bicolano.
Yeah, Bicolano. Proud to be Bicolano. Okay, come here. Filipino, because you know I have 80% of followers Filipino. All Filipino, come here, Pilar. You will have new friend. Come here. We wait you.
Some coming later.
So if you coming, I show you. So now it's like 20. Hope to see 1,000. So we are in Pilar, river to Donsol. More there, so just wait little. So first blogger to record that. The problem is I don't have a drone. So here you see maybe at the front 200, but at the back, 1,000 of thousand. But you need to drone. You need a drone. You take a boat and go in there. But you hear, I don't know in mobile if you hear, there is many at the back, and you see them flying. I don't know place like that in Philippines where many birds, because I travel all Philippines, I never see like that. So let me know in comment if you know a place like that in Philippines. So I try another point of view. So now I will go home before it's night. So guy, I'm just back Legazpi. So it's private house. So you cannot go in there where I was without asking the guy. Yes. I found him in the church. Yeah, so it's very noisy because many traffic. Sunday evening, all people coming here. I live near here, that's why often I record here, because my home is very near, 500 meters. So you must know the bird before it was another place. But they move where I was today, and the guy say you're the first to recover it, because I check and it's not on YouTube. I will be the first to put that on YouTube. So I'm happy and proud to share it with you. Oh my gosh, the traffic! Why so much traffic? So let's go home because it's too much traffic, too much people. So that's all for today. Thank you.